Hi guys, it's been a Flo here. This is just a quick video just to share with you guys this new AI tool or image generation tool that Canva released. It's super amazing, and the fact that I'm making this video just tells it all. I have been looking for an AI image generation tool for my business, and for some reason the ones that I've tried before just creates these hyper super unrealistic images, and the text is usually quite crooked and they just do not look real at all. You cannot use it in your service business. So this is for people running, businesses that are like service-based business, like cleaning business or nursing agency business or disability care service business. If your business is more so like AI or how to use software and all that kind of stuff, by all means, I feel like you can use any image generation too. However, if you want something quite realistic, something quite relatable, then I feel like this new Dream Lab will blow your mind. Okay. So without wasting so much time, let's get into it and see what Dreamlab can do. So as you can see, I'm already in Canva. Now, if you don't already know, Canva is like a graphic design software that a lot of creators and business owners use. Now, you can do so many things in Canva. You can create documents, you can edit videos, you can create pamphlets, flyers, you can create business cards, you can do so much more in Canva. And again, recently they've just released, obviously, this Dream World, I believe, that helps with editing, as well as obviously the Dream Lab that just came up as well. So today we're talking about the Dream Lab here. It's usually located on the left side menu. I do believe that it is a paid feature. So, I mean, I always recommend to use a paid feature, with Canva, because you get so many things, so many amazing things, to be honest. So yeah, here we go. So just click on there to go to Dreamlab. And once you get there, you would see this here. It says, what image would you like to create today? Again, you could literally type in whatever you imagine in your head, whatever you want to create, you could just type in here. So for example, for me, I'm a nurse, I'm a female nurse or female black nurse. So maybe I want something that I guess I can relate to. So I could literally put down that I want maybe a single. So I just want one nurse. So single, black female nurse in Tokyo's blue scrubs. Tokyo's. I don't know how to say. Thanks to Grammarly, guys. I really don't know how to spell, so I'm just gonna correct that. And I just want a single black female nurse in Tokyo's blue scrubs. So let's see what it produces for me. I'm quite impressed, to be honest, with what it has generated so far. I can definitely see myself using this in my business. Look at this, guys. Just look at these images. This one looks a little bit unrealistic for me, but I love this one here. Look at this, guys. It's so clean. It's so professional. It looks like it's been shot by a 4K camera and has been, edited by a professional photographer using Photoshop or something. So detailed. I love the wrinkles here. Just everything about this image is amazing. I could imagine myself using this in one of my marketing tools, or as a background to like a nice quote on my Instagram or on my TikTok videos or something like that. So it's super amazing. I love this one here with the fro as well. Super realistic. Look at that. Look at that. Imagine having this as a background, and then you will have like a nice overlay, and then you will have like a quote or a text or a message, educational content on there, just to share with the people, that you're servicing. It is amazing. Female black nurse in Tokyo's blue scrubs. Maybe in a corridor. I don't know if that's gonna come up in a corridor. Yeah, guys, look at that. I actually did produce a nest in a corridor. Very amazing. Again, if you don't like the background, you could actually just remove the background, and Canva can actually do that for you with the Magic Studio, I believe. There's an editing part where you can just remove the background and you will just have this standalone nurse, and you can put her anywhere, or you can change the background, or you can just put a clear white background if you want, whatever you want. But she looks quite real to me, to be honest. I can just see myself using her in perhaps my proposal, or any other content that I wish to use. I love this side profile as well. Beautiful, clean. I don't know. It's amazing, guys. Some of these other AI tools, super unrealistic. You just like, well, I cannot use this. Like, what the heck? Now, besides people, by the way, if you're trying to search for something, be explicit with what you want. So, for example, I was specifically looking for a Black female nurse, and I actually explicitly stated what I wanted. Now, if you just type a nurse, it's going to bring a variety of nurses. So if you want a male nurse, then type in male nurse. If you want, you need to be explicit with what you're looking for this image generation tool to actually generate what you want. Otherwise, if you're just general, then it's just going to give you general answers, or what's, I guess, commonly known or commonly out there. So in this one here, this is for all the people that are wanting to create, perhaps, I don't know, images for background images for their quotes on Instagram or TikTok or whatever. What I normally usually look for is a let's say work from home office with a cup of tea. So normally I like this work from home office with a cup of tea. I forgot something. I like it dark themed. Because I want this dark theme home office, very clean, very sleek, with like a nice hot cup of tea. Yeah. Oh, exactly what I'm looking for. Look at this, guys. Imagine having this, and then you put your caption on there, and then you put it on your Instagram or your TikTok, with like a motivational quote, or I don't know, a business quote, or whatever the case might be, or even just using this as a banner or part of your proposal. This is super, super, super amazing. But yeah, so that's it, guys. As you can see, you could essentially just generate any image you want. It's amazing. No more, going above and beyond just to try and take a picture or do a photo shoot and edit and then finally use the image. It's just so time consuming. I feel like this is the best way you could do it. I don't know how much Canva Pro is, but for whatever the price is, it's definitely worth it. Now, without wasting so much time, that's it. If you don't use Canva, I highly recommend using them. You can start off free and then upgrade as you need. Now, if you want to sign up, the link will be in the description down below. Until next time, take care.